Welcome to chemistry. This is Mr. Libby. This is week 14. It is Thanksgiving week, so there's just one school day today for my class this week, and we're going to go over it. So, a couple new things. Google Meet codes have changed. It's always going to be AA31 chemistry for the chemistry class, and it's always going to be Libby office hours for the office hours. Today, we're going to go to scavenger hunt and the understanding coefficients and the planner. So if you click on the planner, you'll get this. There's one day we're going to do this. This is all we're doing today in class. And then this is all we're going to do at home. I was like 6 questions here. They're going to be 2 points each. They're going to be treated as quiz points. And I'll go over that when we get there. Isotopes. So when you get to isotopes, you're going to do this. You'll see this when you open that up. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different masses. And this is called isotope notation. There's the symbol, the mass number, and the atomic number. The mass number is always protons plus neutrons. The atomic number is always the number of protons. So when you get here, we're going to do this. The atomic number is always the number of protons. So these are all 6 protons. So we're going to put 6's all the way down. The mass is protons plus neutrons, so this is going to be 6 and 6 is 12, 6 and 7 is 13, and 6 and 8 is 14. 6, when you get to your periodic table, 6 is right there. It is carbon. We're going to call it carbon. And then we're going to call this carbon 12 because it's got a mass of 12. This is going to be carbon 13 because it has a mass of 13. And this is going to be carbon 14 because it has a mass of 14. Now the mass always goes up on top, the number on the bottom, and the symbol over here. So the mass always goes up on top. The mass of this one is 12. That's a 6. And that's a C. The mass of this one is 13. That's a 6. 5, 6. And that's a C. And the mass of this one is 14. 6, C. How you do this, right? So these they're the same element, same atomic number, right? But they have different masses. So those are called isotopes of carbon, right? Carbon 12 and carbon 14 both have 6 protons. Carbon 14 has 8 neutrons. Carbon 12 has 6. Carbon 14 has 8 neutrons. Carbon 12 only has 6. So you're going to go through some of these pictures here, and you're going to just count protons, neutrons, electrons. Here's one. That's a neutron. That's a proton. That's an electron. All right. So example 1. There is 1 proton here. We'll do 1. There is no neutrons. There is 1 electron. The atomic number is always a number of protons, so it's 1. The atomic mass is 1 plus 0, which is 1. And the element name for number 1 up here, number 1 is hydrogen. So we're going to call it hydrogen. Hydrogen 1. Isotope notation. Again, we got to go back to mass on top, number on the bottom, symbol. All right? So mass on top, mass is 1. Symbol on the bottom, or number on the bottom is 1, and H goes there. Let's do another one. Here's another one. 1 proton. The proton is the atomic number, and we know that the element for number 1 is hydrogen. All right, 2 neutrons and 1 electron. The atomic mass is protons plus neutrons. That's 1, 2, 3. So this is not just hydrogen, it is hydrogen 3. The mass goes up on top. There we go. So that's how you do this paper. The next part of the scavenger, next part is this. Oh, sorry. There are some questions on the bottom. Don't blow off the questions. Questions, go to the scavenger hunt. It looks like this. What's the coefficient? What's the subscript? Pretty doggone easy. Here we go. I'm running out of time, so I'm going to end the video here. But this is all we're doing this week. Good luck. Have a great Thanksgiving.